Woodhaven 7280 bandsaw fence allows you to resaw, rip, cut tenons, and perform many other operations on your bandsaw with precision. If your bandsaw never had one or has a poor quality fence, the Woodhaven 7280 bandsaw fence will improve your equipment instantly. Two 24-inch lengths of our 3/4 inch thick by 1.5 inch tall double track aluminum extrusions serve as the front and rear fence rails. A 24-inch length of our 3/4 inch thick by 3 inch tall ultra track aluminum extrusion serves as the fence and clamps to both rails, making it the most rigid fence available. Easily adjustable for blade lead, eliminating the need for a resaw guide. Maintains blade lead setting when changing the fence position. Includes a fence stop. Bolts directly to existing holes in 14-inch Delta, Jet, Ridgid, Powermatic, Porter cable, and most other 14-inch imports. Can be attached to other bandsaws by drilling 4 holes through the table. The Woodhaven heavy-duty Band Saw Circle Jig is an independent product that clamps to any bandsaw table to cut circles or arcs with a range of 3 to 189 inches in diameter. Keep us in mind for your future woodworking needs. Thanks for watching.